Hello and welcome to our video. In this video, we will talk about X-ray and ECG technology programs that's offered by various colleges in India. So in this video, we will take you through different phases which will talk about the duration of the course, the objectives of this course, the eligibility criteria, the career opportunities, and the salary which will be looking after completing this course. So we take you through the first, which talks about the duration of this course. So this diploma course in X-ray and ECG technology is offered by various colleges in India in 1 year diploma program or the 2 year diploma program. So most of the colleges in India are offering the 1 year diploma program. However, there are some colleges in India who are offering 2 year diploma programs as well. So here in this video, we'll be mostly talking about 1 year diploma program. So what are the objectives of this course? What are the objectives of this program? The objective of this diploma program is to create qualified technical staff, acquiring prescribed techniques in radio imaging technology, which constitutes the routine screening procedures of the radio imaging, such as you must have heard about all these screening procedures. So here we take you through one by one through all these techniques. Number one, X-ray technology. Number two, ultrasound technology, the CT scanning, and the latest technique, which is MRI scanning. The basic principles on hand training and demonstration of these techniques will be acquired with associated hospitals and diagnostic centers. Once you are done with the courses, the hospitals will come to your campus for the recruitment and will pick you as their employees, and there you will get the hands-on training and demonstration of the techniques. However, during the college courses, you will also have to go through certain courses which will not be in detail. However, you will get the first-hand experience in your first job only. So number three, we talk about the eligibility of this course. So what is the eligibility? You should have done 10 plus 2 from any recognized institute or the university. The minimum marks obtained by you should be around 45% marks. There are some colleges which may require you to have at least 50 or 60%. However, most of the colleges in India have the minimum criteria of 45% marks only. Here we go to the another part of the video which talks about the career opportunities you will be looking for. Once you complete this program, you will be looking for your career opportunities. We will take you through career opportunities, then we will take you through the salary which you will be expecting out of this job. So career diploma program in X-ray technology and ECG technology offers a lucrative career options for freshers after 10 plus 2. This program requires utmost concentration and skill and is very demanding and noble profession. It's noble profession because you will be serving the patients who are in need of the treatment, and your scanning will definitely the diagnosis of the disease will definitely depend upon the scanning you have done. Aspirants seeking a boost start of their career and serve the mankind by choosing one of the highest paid and prestigious profession of the healthcare sector may opt for this program. In fact, this will not be the highest paid profession initially once you join as a fresher. However, once you have the experience in hand, you can look for the other opportunities where you will be paid a higher amount than the fresher. However, you will get the highest pay with the experience. Here we talk about the survey which was done for the salary and remuneration. Remuneration, I guess the spelling is not correct. Yeah, anyways, the average salary for an X-ray technician is 15,000 per month in India. So there was one survey which was done by Indeed. Indeed is a job portal. So they in their survey there were 544 applicants who presented their data with respect to their job or previous job they were working as X-ray technician. There were other users. There were they collected this information for about 36 months. So they come to the conclusion after the survey that the average salary of a X-ray technician is around 15,000. The typical tenure for an X-ray technician is 1 to 3 years. So here we end this video, and I think we hope that you like our video. If in case you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel. We will be coming up with other courses, different courses in the medical field. Thank you so much for watching.